Shit! Alright! But like we kill them fast. That in top car. Oh, God.
Reaction.
Wait, pause. No, I was not doing the silhouette challenge. Silhouette. No, I was not doing that. No, I wasn't. I was merely just live on Instagram. Go check me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram before this video begins at Terry Vlogs. Get me to 10,000 followers, please and thank you. You understand me? A long time you have to start trying to reach 10K, dog. Like, go follow me right now, dog. Yeah, man. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction. Boom! I'm back in for another video, my guys. Right now, I have a song called Fast by Stig the Artist and Whip. You see me I say? Big up DJ Perf as usual. You don't know a chap. Like up this video, comment on this video. Just one comment, just one fine emoji right now. I'm not even to the song yet. But I see be a bully on the screen so you know say the song bad. You see me I say? I want to say thank you for the continued support. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Thank you for 6,000 subscribers. We're trying to go up. We're going up and up, up and up. You want the music right? But guess what? I don't like editing the audio. Maybe that's the reason why I haven't done this yet, because this video for a cool minute. I was low-key waiting for a music video. Low-key. But I had to represent for my Belize audience. I have to represent for them. I have to represent for them, dog. I have to represent for them, right? Feel the spirit. Feel the vibes. Now run the bumbo class song. Go on. Yeah. Alright. Them no, what up? So I whip that in them. I know I don't stick that stick by the so and so. So them now bad like we kill them fast. Alright then. Alright. What? Alright. Shit. Alright. Bad like we kill them fast. That in top car. Oh, God. He doesn't know about like him at all. I'm going to go find them ends in a tin top car. And I beer man I go drop fast. Roll on the bomb buckle glass and beer man I drop out this up. Cause I whip them and whip. Go on whip! Bad from I was a fetus, high since high school, high grade, and I'm a genius. No, pause, and me here, actually make me here gone to the streets. Pause. He bought from high school, all the grades. Listen to this, listen. Go on.
From I was a fetus, high since high school, high grade, and I'm a genius. You know what
high grade, I'm genius. Yeah, hi. How you doing, Stig? Go on.
Whip pull up in the whip with a bitch named
Bumbo Clark, fat pussy Nina. No, sir. This not normal. Fat pum Nina. Go ahead, pull up.
Cause we walking like we're talking like the Migos. Whip pull up in the whip with a bitch named Nina. We can't left her home, we pussy whip. It's mess your dick before the thing starts to spit like a pregnant bitch. I must say, miscarriage the way I start bleed. Red dot on your forehead.
You just bumbo ass clue, dog. No, wait a minute for this ASAP. Must stop me like a pregnant bitch. You ready to pay for? Go on.
Like a Indian, fuck your opinion. Me not
the red people are far like an Indian. Fuck your opinion. You know the Indian they would be bumbo clad. Go on.
Cause first of all, you know
like we pull up the window, alright. That in top car. What? Them no bad like we. Oh, you mean? That in top car. Fuck it up now. What? You just call him Stiggy. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. It mad, they are all a part intimation time, man. Bumbo class, I'm just there with a voice. Talk to me. What y'all thoughts on the song? Yeah man, this is about me I'm gonna talk to now. If you guys don't know, I'm in the comment section for the first 30 minutes after my video goes live, replying to comments. So chat to me, let me see what I say. So, what y'all thoughts on the song? 1 through 10 first. That's the first comment. You see me I say, drop them down below. You see me I say, what do you think about whip? You see me I say, we got that Grammy pass it. Pull up on them men that in top car. You see me I say, I think about it. I think about Stig and the punchline them. Because them line they punch and kick out face, teeth and hand and mouth. Let me know down below in the comment section. I reply to you in the comment section. I can't reply to you now, obviously. But I can reply to you in the comment section. So just comment and like the video. Alright, go on! Alright. There's nobody like we. What's nothing, no fun. In a tin top car. There's nobody like we. Eating no grass. It's the man dog. I'm gonna grab your phone. Hold on, we go on Instagram. We go on the gram. You don't have to. Hold on, first. Hold on. The song done. The song done. You can't do that. You can't do that. Ready? What's the way you know grass? In that tin top car. Watch it now. What? You know what it be, they wanna be us. Cause we're walking like we're talking like the Migos. Working! I saw that for work Instagram, you see me and say, go on for Instagram my Terry Vlogs with the right here. But it's been a while Terry Vlogs AK, the reaction boss. Hope me never miss none. Me go towards the end. Nothing top car. For the ends in the dark. Alright then. Yeah. Listen now. One time then, tie up and try to meet her girlfriend. Fucking the girl hard, she ball out loud. Pushing her emotion, she start choke dog. Freestyle for the trap my ball like dog. Perf. Big up DJ Perf. Got a whole bum buckle Belize. Everybody over there. You see me I say, yeah man. I think King Brett drop a song too. You see me? But it's the next audio. I'm buckle like that. But it's soon with the next video. See me I say, big up on yourself. Peace out.